testing out some new products in my hair. As you can see, my hair is much darker than the last time I filmed. Reason being is I actually dyed it myself. I actually went to the salon and got my hair colored back in April, and it lasted about 2 weeks before it started completely fading, and this is with only washing my hair once a week. So this week when I looked at my hair really closely, I saw that my blonde was actually back in some areas, and in some areas it was kind of pink and kind of light purple, and that was very problematic for me since I just wanted dark hair so that my natural hair can grow out. So I box colored my hair using the L'Oreal Furia. Anyways, this is what the color looks like. I just rinsed it out. But that's not what this video is about. This video is actually me trying out the Creme of Nature Coconut Milk for Natural Hair Curl Repair Leave-In, as well as the Coconut Milk Moisture Hair Milk. And this right here is actually like a light cream as well. It's a styling cream. So I was actually looking for the, I think it's a custard cream, curling cream that actually goes with this line, and it's in a tub that's similar. But when I went to the store, they didn't have it, but they did have the milk. So I know that this is probably not going to be enough hold for what I like for my hair. I want my hair to last at least three days. 5 would be preferable. So I will be topping it with one of my Holy Grail gels, and I actually found 3 gels in my collection that mixed really nicely on the back of my hand with these products, and that is the Curling Jelly by As I Am. This one was really nice. You could still kind of see that it was a milky white color. However, it didn't clump up and have ballies in there. The other one that mixed really nicely was the Honey Curl Foam Custard by Design Essentials. I really like this. It's a thicker, heavier gel. And I think that I will only use this if I feel like these 2 products don't have enough weight to control my wild curls. But if it seems like they do have enough weight, then I will just go ahead and top it with my Deva Curl Leave-In. And when I mixed this with those 2 products, the actual products was smooth and went completely clear. It wasn't white at all, and as you can see, these products are very white. So I know this will play nicely. This is a leave-in, but it works like a gel in my hair. So this is what I'll be using. Now, if you are new to my channel, first, welcome. And if you haven't already subscribed, I'd really like you to subscribe so that you can continue to watch some of these videos that I'm creating. I am here for you, okay? I test out lots of products so that you know whether or not I think that they're pretty good, and if your hair is a similar texture to mine, you don't waste your money if it's not good. But if it's really great, then you know you should try it. I also do unboxings and a few little makeup tutorials, so please join us. Let's get into this wash and go. The first thing that I'm going to do is spray my hair with water. As you can see, my hair is mostly dry, and the reason why it's mostly dry is because I've been walking around the house doing things, and I did not pin it up like I normally do. So I will be re-wetting my hair, and I think that for the sake of this video, so that it's not super long, I don't think that I'm going to be talking very much. I'm just going to fast forward through so that you can watch me apply the products. If I have comments about how they're performing in my hair, then I will jump back in, but please sit back and enjoy the video. I failed to mention that I did not detangle my hair in the shower. Since I used the conditioner that came in the hair color, I wasn't sure if it was going to have enough slip to detangle my hair, so I did not detangle in the shower. I'm really hoping that this leave-in conditioner has enough slip for me to be able to detangle now. So pray for me, because this could go very badly. Alright, that actually detangled really nicely, and this cream is pretty thick, which I really like for my texture of hair. I am just smoothing it in and making sure that every piece feels the same before I go in with the styling lotion. But I really do like the way this feels in my hair. It does feel quite moisturizing. and it did detangle pretty good considering that it is a thicker cream. I find that with detangling products, for me, I like lighter products that kind of slip through the hair really nicely, but this did really pretty good. Okay, so now I'm taking this Moisture Curl Hair Milk, and I'm going to put, it's kind of, my hands are a little slippery, about that much to start. And I'm actually going to start at the ends and work my way up. And I think I'll actually go on with a little bit more. I do actually like the way these feel together in my hair. They feel very moisturizing, and the product is thick enough to where I don't think I actually need to use a heavier gel. So I will actually go in with just the Believe In. This will add a bit of volume, and also it will help with the springing. I don't know if that's the right word, but it helps my curls to be more springy. But it just kind of glides in. It's a watery based type of product, so it glides in pretty much most of my hair product combinations really smoothly and easily. And just like that, it's completely coated. Okay, so I'm going to now just take tiny sections and run my Tangle Teaser through to clump my curls. Okay, not too bad. Now do keep in mind that I colored my hair, and I don't know if you guys have experience with coloring your hair, but as you know, your curl pattern is slightly different, whether it's a professional color job, or if you did it yourself. The first couple of times that you do your hair after you color your hair, it's not quite the same as it normally is. So if my curl pattern isn't as tight, I won't necessarily blame it on the product so much as the fact that I've colored my hair. Okay, so now that you've seen how I apply product to that first section, know that I'm going to continue to do the same thing across my entire head. So let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna turn around so that you can see what it's looking like, but I can tell you that I'm really excited about how springy these curls are. They're all very springy and defined, and this is of course what it looks like wet. Who knows what it's gonna look like dry, but we're gonna test it out and see. So this is what the back is looking like at the moment. And so I'm going to air dry and grocery shop, and I'll be back later and we'll check out the results. Hey guys, I'm back. So now's the time to scrunch out the crunch, but before I do that, is it just me or are these curls extra popping? I mean, they are so defined. Oh my gosh, can you see that, guys? Look at this. Insane. It might be hard to see now that my hair is black, but the definition is crazy, and the shrinkage isn't too bad either. But as you can see, look at this. Blink. I mean, this is before I scrunch out the crunch, my prediction is that this is going to be the best wash and go that I've had in a long time. Fingers crossed. Alright, so what I'm going to do is, and it's not that crunchy, just slightly, right? I've been air drying for about, let's see, 5 hours now. So I'm going to take some avocado oil, put some in my hand, and then I'm going to rub it on my scalp. I'm really excited. It's been a long time since I've been this excited about a wash and go. I think part of the reason why I'm so excited is because it's an affordable wash and go. Now, aside from the Deva Curl product that I put in at the end, the other two products that I used are less than $5. At least they were at my local Walgreens. So an inexpensive bomb wash and go, honey, that's a dream. So fingers crossed. So right now I'm just scrunching the crunch in my curls. And as I mentioned, there isn't very much crunch. My curls are crazy defined right now. I mean, really, really defined. I'm feeling good about this. Even after scrunching the crunch, they're still defined. I don't see any frizz at all. This could be really good, guys. It was such a warm day today that my hair dried really fast. I didn't even have to think about diffusing it, so that's cool. Alright, I'm going to turn my head upside down and just kind of massage my scalp. My hair feels really soft and moisturized. It's not dry at all, which I really appreciate. And I'm just separating my curls. I know this seems crazy that I'm tugging and pulling so wildly on my curls, but this is the way I like to do it in order to get volume when I don't use a pick. And these bangies, look how tight these curls are. It's crazy. I'm just going to separate some of them so that my bangs are a bit fuller. And even doing this, I haven't created any frizz, which blows my mind. Usually I'm my own worst enemy. The more manipulation, the more frizzy my hair gets. But this is bomb. Do you see this, guys? What do you think? Do you think it was a winner? I'm gonna turn a bit so you can see the back. I think it's a winner. I love it. I love the way it looks. If you're wondering why my hair looks different from my last video, aside from the color, I actually gave myself another haircut. I know I just got a haircut, but my ends just seem so dry, so I took an inch off the bottom, which you can't even tell with the curly hair. You know, it shrinks up so bad. But anyways, this is my wash and go. I'm super pleased. I think this is probably my most successful wash and go in the past 2 months. So I'm really excited, and the fact that it's stuff that I got from the drugstore. Okay, so just to remind you, it's the Creme of Nature Coconut Milk Curl Repair Leave-In, which I really, really love, and the Moisture Curl Hair Milk. I love it. And then I topped it with my Deva Curl Bee Leave-In. Now the Deva Curl Bee Leave-In, it's probably the most affordable on Amazon. I want to say I paid 20 bucks for this big container, but if you go to Ulta or somewhere else, it's definitely more expensive than that. But yeah, this stuff, it's a dream. I put this on most of my products and it works really nicely, but I am just super happy about how much hold I have with this wash and go, how much definition. My hair is crazy soft, but it doesn't feel so soft that it would not hold. I actually think I might get some decent wear time out of this wash and go, so I'm really excited. Anyways, if you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.